We just loaded the semi up. It's bound for the Borman feedlot in Oregon, 10 hours away. So there goes Jess pulling out this early, beautiful morning. Look out, dog. There were 20, 40, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, I think. 53 beeves on there. Bye, beeves! There they go. Oh, let me get out of the car right here. And we loaded them up, and there they go. He'll drive straight through, and then he might drive back a little ways and then sleep for a bit, and then be home tomorrow, either morning or midday sometime. So it is a long drive, and the cattle just hang out as he drives like a banshee to get over there. Cool. They were ornery this morning getting on the truck. They were some hot, fat, sloppy steers. Okay, so there's what's happening today on the ranch. Hope you are having a wonderful sunny spring day. Love you, bye-bye.